my little accidents. Today I'm working on hats for another pool and spa, and this is my new favorite hat. It's the Flex Fit 110, purchased from S&S Activewear, and I'm using my brother flat brim cap frame to embroider them on my machine. I've also been doing a lot of organizing and moving around some inventory, and I like these hanging shelves that I purchased from IKEA. It's just a great way to use the most of your space. Okay, if you don't already follow me on Instagram, here is the QR code. I'm at simply Delilah1. So if you watch me on TV, you can just scan this on your phone. And I've been having so much fun just getting out of my comfort zone. I'm trying to grow my business, which means I need to get rid of the doubt. Basically, I'm not letting doubt stop me anymore. That's the plan. I posted a reel explaining that the last comment will get a coffee from me. And it was so much fun. I'd been doubting the idea for a few months, but then I decided to go for it. Everybody played along, they had fun, and then I announced the winner. Aside from the Pull and Spas order, I have some Etsy orders that I need to do as well. These ones are just some hats that I have listed in my shop, and I'm using the Happy Japan cap frame. I don't have one that I like better than the other. They're both just different, but they're both really good hat frames that I would recommend to anyone. Oh my gosh, you guys, this happens every time. Hold on. Okay, I love this hat. It turned out beautiful, but wrong thread colors, you guys. It never seems to fail. It's supposed to look like this one, you know, but I do think the pink is really cute. I'm still gonna give this one because the owner is a girl. I think she probably has some guys too, but I would totally wear it. But I just gotta keep on keeping on, and it is turning out amazing. She did also get some black ones. I haven't cut the loose threads on it yet, but isn't that so good? She's going to love those. And then it's just kind of tricky to sort the different thread colors on here. There are only 4 thread colors, but they have to be stitched out. There's a lot of different steps on this one. So I just gotta be more patient and try to get these thread colors right. And that's okay because that's only one hat that I've messed up. That order is for 20 hats. I'm already done 14 hats without any mistakes, so that is not bad at all. Messing up on one hat sucks, but you have to keep going. Okay, so now I'm like just trying to process these big orders, and it just always takes me back to when I first started my embroidery business. And building a business, it can be incredibly lonely, expensive, and frustrating, especially if you don't have anyone around you that is building a business. I remember not even knowing where to buy the blanks, and then I bought them from Walmart, and I bought them in like all these different colors, and then I was like trying to sell them on Etsy, and then I'm like, well, how am I going to keep all this inventory? Oh, and then like the heartbreak of realizing that something that you quoted somebody for actually took you 4 hours to stitch out. So you made maybe $2 an hour, or maybe you were even in the negative. And then trying to figure out like, where am I going to sell everything? And I wasted so much time like hauling my stuff to like a farmer's market type thing. If you are like nodding your head right now, I just want you to take a deep breath and just know that you are not alone. Like, you probably feel like you're alone. You like me. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and keep watching. Thank you. Like, I don't have any entrepreneurials in my circle. Like, no one in my family owns their own business. So yeah, it is lonely. But that is exactly why on June 18th at 2 p.m., I'm hosting my very first live Zoom workshop. It's going to be about building your embroidery business. What we're going to do is just 3 different subjects. It's going to be like where to get your blanks, your pricing hack. I have a pricing hack. But there is so much that we could crunch into this session, but I don't want to like throw so much stuff at you. That's why we're going to stick to the 3 things. That way you can take away things and not get overwhelmed and implement them right away. I don't want to give you like so much information that you do nothing. I'm not going to be giving this away away for free. These are my secrets. Okay, you might realize that a lot of free information, there's a reason why it's free, and not all free information is good. So let me tell you the price. This Zoom meeting is going to be face to face. It's not going to be like me throwing another course at you. It's just going to be me talking with you, and you can ask me questions in real time. And I'm going to share just all the tight-lipped secrets that I have not told anybody else on this channel. I thought about that even in the beginning. I share a lot with you guys, but there have been some things that I have not told everybody because these are the little tidbits that make me stand out. That is why I'm not going to hand it out to everybody. So know that when you join this Zoom meeting, you are getting some secrets that I have had. The investment is going to be $49, but for my loyal viewers that have watched me and you've watched me grow my business, remember, I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job to do this embroidery business full time. When you sign up, I also have an immediate little gift for you. Once you sign up, I send you this card. It says, thank you, your order made my day. It's for you to include with your orders. Because it is live, it's an intimate room, seats are limited. The investment is $49, which is a steal because it's direct business coaching. Because you are my loyal viewers, you're going to get $10 off by using the code LOYAL10. Now, when you sign up, I'm going to send you that template. Your order just made my day. You can download it immediately and start leveling up your customer experience today. So stop feeling defeated and let me help you build this thing right. Click the link in the descriptions. Also, here's my QR code. They will fill up fast. So click on the QR code because you guys, only 9 people are going to be in this Zoom meeting because I want you to get your money's worth. If you have questions, I want you to be able to ask me, write down your questions beforehand, click the link for the QR code and you'll get more details there. So I'm like buried in hats right now. I don't know if you can hear me. I got the machines going because I'm still working on these hats, but look at how amazing the stitch out is. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for the owner to see this one. My digitizer is called Custom Digitizer. I know that, a lot of you guys ask like, who does my digitizing? And the name really is Custom Digitizer. So you can Google that, and the website, when you go to the website, it says Custom Digitizers because people are always like, well, no, but what is the name of it? And that is the name. So I'm just going to listen to some music while I finish up the rest of these because the machine is really loud, but it's really busy and I got a lot of these and I need to get them out the door today. So I can't stop the machine. Here's another one that just came off of the machine. I gotta share with you something that our pastor had said, oh, let me show you this book. This is the book that I have been reading. So it's a little bit of a plug for my pastor. God meant it for good. And this one I've really been reading because even in the back it says, what if the hardest moments of your life were not accidents, but appointments? Being a business owner it's really hard, but there's so much growth and I just feel like so much more alive. I don't know if that makes sense, but right here it says, like, no matter what you're walking through right now, no matter what you've lost, what you're afraid of, you can rest in this. God has a plan. He's not absent. He's not surprised. He's not powerless. He knows exactly what is going on in your life. So this is on Amazon. If you guys want to look this up, it's meant to be read not very quickly, but just take little tidbits of it every day. Okay, so now I need to get these ones packaged up because some of the, ow, shoot, what just happened? Ooh, something just poked me and I gotta find it because I don't want it to poke somebody in the head. Ooh, I don't know what that was, but I always manage to get it on camera. My little accidents. I don't know what that was, so I'm gonna have to look at that. I have this one that's going out, this one 40, hallelujah. This is for a girl and her 3 friends are going to Cabo and they're all celebrating turning 40. So that one I thought was really cute. I still have a lot of these that I need to clean up, probably like 3 more of these to do and then clean them up. And then those will go out to the business owner. And then I have some shirts to do. It wasn't as busy it was last week, but it still is like steady and continuing to grow. So I'm also going to be leaving that link in my descriptions tab. I also want you to know that even though I'm talking about, I have this paid workshop, you don't need to go to the paid one if it's not within your budget. I have a whole playlist that is dedicated to building your business and it's right here and you can benefit from so much of the free stuff as well. So I thank you so much for watching and I do hope to see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.